Ever wonder how those little orange squares hold actual value? We're talking about Bitcoin, the digital currency that's been making waves and sometimes causing financial tsunamis for over a decade. Maybe you've been curious about buying some, but the whole process seems intimidating. Fear not, fellow adventurer. Today, we're diving into the world of Cash App and how to snag some Bitcoin with it, then send it off to your own personal digital wallet. Now, Cash App isn't the only way to buy Bitcoin, but it is a popular option for beginners. It's a familiar app you might already use for sending money to friends, and buying Bitcoin follows a similar logic. So, if you're ready to join the crypto party, responsibly, of course, let's get started. Step 1. Gearing up the Cash App account. Before we dive in, make sure you have a Cash App account already set up. This involves the usual drill: downloading the app, verifying your identity, and linking a bank account for purchases. Cash App will also need some additional info from you, so be prepared to provide that during the sign-up process. Step 2. Setting sail for Bitcoin, the buying process. Alright, with your Cash App account prepped, open the app and look for the Bitcoin tab. It might look like a little orange square with a B in it. This is your gateway to the world of Bitcoin on Cash App. Once you tap it, you'll be presented with a Buy BTC option. This is your captain's wheel, steering you towards your Bitcoin purchase. Step 3. Charting your course, amount, and confirmation. Here's where you decide how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Cash App allows you to buy in dollars or in fractions of a Bitcoin, which is handy because a whole Bitcoin can be pretty pricey these days. Once you've chosen your amount, double-check it to make sure it's what you intended. Remember, Bitcoin is a volatile investment, so it's wise to start small, especially if you're new to the game. Cash App will also likely ask you to confirm your purchase with your PIN or fingerprint. Think of this as your final safety check before setting sail. Step 4. Ahoy, matey. The Bitcoin purchase. If everything checks out, hit that confirmation button and voila! You've just bought your first chunk of Bitcoin. Cash App will store it for you within the app, so you can easily track its value and manage it later. Congratulations! You're officially a Bitcoin owner. Step 5. Setting up your destination, the Bitcoin wallet. Now, maybe you don't plan on keeping your Bitcoin chilling out in Cash App forever. That's where a Bitcoin wallet comes in. Think of it like a digital vault specifically designed to store your cryptocurrency. There are many different types of wallets available, each with its own pros and cons. Do some research to find one that suits your needs, but make sure it's a reputable and secure option. Once you have your wallet set up, you'll need to find your wallet address. This is a long string of letters and numbers that acts like your unique key to your digital vault. You'll need this address to transfer your Bitcoin out of Cash App. Step 6. Setting sail again, transferring your Bitcoin. Head back to the Bitcoin tab in your Cash App. This time, you'll be looking for the Send option, which might be represented by an airplane icon. Tapping this will initiate the transfer process. Here, you have two choices. Scan a QR code. If your wallet has a QR code function, you can use your phone's camera to scan it directly into Cash App. This is a quick and easy way to ensure the address is copied correctly. Manual entry. If you don't have a QR code, you'll need to manually enter your wallet address. Be super careful with this step, as a typo could mean sending your Bitcoin to the wrong place, and in the world of crypto, there are usually no do-overs. Triple check that address before moving forward. Step 7. Mind the fees, transaction confirmation. Before you hit send, Cash App will show you the estimated fees for the transaction. These fees are paid to miners who verify and process Bitcoin transactions on the network. The faster you want to transfer, the higher the fee will likely be. Consider how urgently you need the Bitcoin in your wallet and choose the fee option that works for you. Once you've confirmed everything, give that final send button a tap. Cash App will then process the transaction.